6.7.
6.7.
50 minutes. Nice and easy today.
Is that it?
Yeah, I know.
Shocking.
When you want to go, mate. I'm leaving this week, so it needs to be soon.
Ah, bloody hell. And so what's the plan for today, bro?
So we're gonna do a slight battler PT. So we have the battler rope here. Yeah. And of course,
I'm asking a question. Why your car so messy?
the car messy because I have a lot of fitness equipment inside the car. Yeah. I carry my fitness wherever I go.
you carry your fitness
exactly wherever I go. Yeah, my fitness goes with me.
All right, so what's this called?
Fitness is life. So what we're gonna do, we have some tires over there. Yeah, some SV tires. So we're gonna set them up, which we will be doing tire flips, and also including the sledgehammer. Yeah. So the tire slam as well. We have some weights over there as well, which we're gonna be doing shuttles back and forth as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be tire slam.
The battler rope. Yeah.
Okay.
Tire flips, and also shuttle up and down.
Bro, to be honest, my youth, I never signed up for this though.
You never signed up for this?
Never signed up for this though.
Well, guess what?
Yo, he's not even a PTI. Look at him.
Personal fitness trainer, yeah.
Ooh, level up.
Level 3.
Level up.
Level up.
This is Murray, long-time friend, and know him from like way back when.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, make him introduce himself. Talk to the people.
Yeah, so I'm Staff Sergeant Murray.
Staff Sergeant Murray?
Yeah,
You have to say that.
I'm J.R. Murray. Yeah.
No, be professional. Come on.
Yeah, so I'm Staff. Yeah, so I'm Staff Sergeant Murray, 17 years in the Army, quite a long time. So, like I say, fitness is life. Wherever I go, I take fitness with me. A lot of people come out and they say, oh yeah, I'm too old for this, or I'm too tired, I'm too lazy, all these other different excuses. But that's what they are, excuses.
Well, you know, a couple years back then, you know, you were a bit like on the fat side, chubby side. You know?
Never on the fat side.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with being fat though.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. As long as you could keep it maintained, yeah?
Definitely. All right then guys, you know, we're going to use this area right here. You know, we're going to set up real quick and yeah, nice session. You know, the weather is not with us now at the moment. I'm just praying to God that it doesn't rain. But yeah, it's going to be a mad one. You know what I mean? I'm super tired. I did like 25 kilometers today, easily. I think, you know, just running with the recruits. Just going to set up quick session just before the rain come down and yeah, take it from there. Let's go. I just let you know a little secret. I'm not ready for this. But this boy would have killed me off. But it's gonna be all good though. So we just test and adjust. Apparently, that's part of the circuit as well. So it's gonna be an epic session, guys. Yeah. What time now? The time now. Fitness is life, bro. So the time now was 6:48, and yeah, we're just setting up. So that's part of the circuit here. And it's gonna go up this bit here, you got the tire flips and stuff like that. How much kgs are those, roughly?
So they are roughly 30 kilos.
30?
Yeah.
I know, yo, my legs is gonna be like this later. Yeah, shaking. So, mad thing. Can't wait. Got my gloves. I'm good to go. Let's do this.
The whole idea of the battler rope and so forth, you want to squat all the way down. Yeah? So when you squat down, all the way down, keeping it there, back straight. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Yeah? Yeah?
You can show me that again? Yeah, I've never seen it. No, I'm joking, man.
Next exercise you're going to do is the hammer slam.
Hammer slam.
Yeah? Make sure you feel that rotation in the obliques.
All right.
Yeah?
All right.
Then you're going to the tire flip. Yeah? Squatting down, keeping your back straight, lifting up, pushing it over. Next exercise, picking up, call it farmer's carry, and you run with them. All the way down.
All the way down there?
To the end, yeah? And back up. Yeah. Then, so the car weighs just over a ton. Yeah. So all you do is squat down, grabbing the rope, yeah, pull in the car. Handbrakes there, innit? You're
I didn't put you're the man pulling the car, the handbrake is on. Yo, good one, did it? Yo, I didn't even touch your handbrake, bro. He's way more fit than me now at the moment because he's training like mad. He's training for something special. Can't say no, but yeah.
Get the Jeff?
Handbrake off?
Handbrake off this time.
Okay, demo.
Demo, so you squat down, using arm strength only, and leg, a bit of leg, and you pull. Yeah? Reaching forward, reach, reach, reach. We're looking for 5 sets.
5 sets?
5 sets. Yeah?
Yo, this man wanna kill me, bro.
5 sets.
Alright, we'll see then. How you find that, G?
Yo.
End of the session.
End of the session.
Yeah.
End of me as well. I'm an old man.
How old are you? You don't want to say on camera?
You don't want to see on camera. People will laugh at me, man. I'm an old man.
Yeah, but honestly, mate, yo, trust me, that was tough. It was a tough one.
What,
you know,
man?
yeah, you can tell. Look at that. Ooh.
Beast mode, yeah?
You know, I'll tell you what get me though, the most. That bloody rope right there, mate, pissed me off. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, you see this knot right here? So here, like every what? Like half a meter or so? Yeah, like close to a meter. Yeah, you got the knot. Then which one?
All the way here.
Which one was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This bit right here, this man decided to tie this from here all the way here.
Put in the extra effort, yeah?
Like literally a meter.
Put in the extra effort. My thing is the fireman carry,
Yeah.
and also the tire flip.
Yeah, tire flip is a burner.
It's a burner, man.
Yeah. Yo, and I don't want people to start laughing at my gloves now, mate, yeah? Garden gloves. Drop me a comment in the comment section if you think this is gym quality, yeah? This is shocking, man, yeah? Good session, you know what I mean? Good friend of mine, he went away for a while, came back, so super happy to see him. Still got his legs, yeah?
Strong,
you know what I mean?
strong.
Still have his arms. Until next time you see me, it's gonna be pretty much on this channel.
Yeah?
So it's gonna be a
JR
good one.
Murray coming soon, yeah? Stay tuned.
Alright guys, you don't know guys, same detail again guys, make sure you don't know, you drop me a comment like the thing as well. Yo, tell him to subscribe to me thing. Tell him.
Yeah, subscribe to Fabziy, yeah?
No man, tell him again man.
Subscribe to Fabziy.
British accent.
In British accent, yeah?
Good.
So we're gonna subscribe to Fabziy.
No, that's not British man. Come again.
I can't speak British, man. Yo, Vincey to the bone, yeah? Vincey representing. Vincentian always.
You don't know, good session, great session. As I said, good friend of mine. So you don't know, man's out here just putting in the work. And I'll tell you, guys, you know what I mean? I'm on a journey. You know what I mean? I start, say, don't know, get rid of the little belly fat. You know what I mean? I make my thing look good. You see me? I'm trying to look like him here. And I know he got a bit of belly fat on him, but
yeah,
he's working on it as well.
There's a reason behind that, yeah? So I put it to the test, whereby I'm eating junk food, doing all the fizz, just to prove a point to see whether or not I can maintain a good body and exercise.
Yeah, that's
but it shows, yeah? Once you eat properly, once you're training, you need to eat properly as well. They go together.
Yeah.
Yeah? So now I'm shredding all of it, eating healthy. Let's go.
So how much you weigh now?
So right now I'm around 89 kilograms.
89?
Yeah, normally I'm around 85.
Damn.
So I got a lot of work to do.
Pure muscle or pure fat?
Muscle, man. Muscle all the way, you know? Yeah?
Alright guys.
Stay on my grind.
Alright guys, you don't know guys, like up the thing, share it, and you don't know, if you're with me, you see me? Stay tuned. Big and better to come, your boy Fabziy.